Okay, so here's a good way to get the pilot hole all the way through both of the stacked 3/4 inch MDF ribs. So I've just taken one of the ribs and I double stick taped it to the core here. And I've got 3 more pieces here that I'm going to use to put the 2 ribs together. But for now I've just got one rib stuck to the core, and I've got my 5/64 bit in there, and I'm just going to go in and drill a pilot hole through this rib and into, just to mark the core. So this shouldn't take too long. Okay, so there's my 4 pilot holes all the way through. Next thing I'm going to do is go double stick tape these 2 ribs together. And I'll be right back. Okay, so I've got the 2 ribs stuck together, and sometimes these can get a little bit dusty. So if the double stick tape doesn't stick very well, then you can put a clamp on it just for a few seconds, and that'll help a lot. So all I'm going to do now is just go transfer this pilot hole down to the next rib, so that we're nice and straight. There it is. So now the pilot hole is through that center rib and just into the top rib. So I will now go unstick these 2 pieces and transfer the pilot hole all the way through this rib. Done. So now I think this is going to end up being my top rib. So I've got to go put in now the Forstner bit and do that drilling next. Okay, so I've already done the Forstner drilling. So now I put in the 1/4 inch bit, and I'm going to go around and take that all the way through from the other side. that's done. And now I just want to go run the 1/4 inch bit all the way through this center rib, and then we'll be ready to stack them up. Done. We're ready to stack them up. I'll be back in a minute. Okay, last step, put in the, I've got a 3/8 inch bit in to put in the holes for the threaded inserts. I set my depth and we're ready to go. Okay, so now I'm just going to put in the threaded inserts and we'll go see how everything stacks up. I'll be back in a minute.